Hi guys, so this is my analysis update on DXY guys. Before we start the update, I'm just gonna do a quick recap on DXY. So if you watched my previous analysis on DXY guys, you know I was predicting DXY to push to the downside because we hit our negative 27% fib level. So I said that if we continue to push to the downside, that we might hit our 61.8% fib level, which is 104.020. That we might hit that area right here. Then if we still see momentum of a sell, then we might get to 103.774. As you can see that we hit my 61.8% fib level and we stank to the upside. If you've been watching my analysis, you know that my 27% fib level and negative 61.8% fib level are my reversal zones. So it wasn't a surprise when we got to my 61.8% fib level, we tanked to the upside because that's a reversal zone, guys. So now I'm just going to delete my analysis right now and just reanalyze based on the current price action. Let's see. So you know I like to do top-down analysis because I just think that helps the overall prediction of the market. So now let's see where we are. Remember, if you watch my analysis, remember I predicted that if you're dropping to the downside, this would be my first target, 104.080, because that is where we had this break of structure, the break of structure before pushing to the upside, right? So if you continue to push to the upside, depending on how it reacts around this area, then we might push up to my 61.8% fib level on a bigger time frame, which is 104.636, and we can see that this is the daily time frame. So as you can see that now that we are currently around this area right here, let's see how the market plays out. If I see more momentum of sell, then certainly our next prediction for sale will be 103.774. But if we continue to just see big rejections around this area, then we might continue to push to the upside. So now I'll go to my 4-hour time frame. You can see the reason why I like to do tabular analysis. When I was in the smaller time frame, right, I wasn't seeing a much clearer price action on DXY, but now I'm in a bigger time frame. You can see I'm seeing some sort of like an impulse right here, correction, a possible continuation to the upside. To be honest, that is what I'm seeing based on this momentum candlestick right here. We can see this bull candlestick. So I see an impulse, a correction, a sort of continuation to push to the upside. To be honest, as of right now, that is what I'm seeing. So I'm gonna put a fib right here from point A here to point B. So we have point B. So as you can see that we currently having like multiples rejection right here. So there's a possibility for us to tank to the upside, to be honest. So let's go to my favorite time frame. Nothing. So we can see based on how we are seeing it right now that we've been rejecting around this zone, right? Which is 78.6% fib level. So let's go to the smaller time frame and see if we're gonna see a momentum of buy. If we see a momentum of buy, then there's a possibility that we just continue to tank to the upside, guys. So let's see. Let's go to mine. So guys, let's see how the market plays. So right now I'm predicting the market to push to the upside based on what we are seeing, right? So I'm just gonna draw my instance. We might just continue to push to the upside, and if you continue to push to the upside, certainly my targets will be around here. So that would be my target for the up move right here. So this would be my first target right here. But if you push to the downside, because I see down move as well, right? If anything happens and we push to the downside, I will continue to see momentum of a sell, then this will be my next target for that sell. So let's see how the market plays. I also want to indicate that I am still predicting it to possible hit my target right here, which is run around the area right here, right? Because we can see that 636, because we can see that my 61.8% fib level hasn't been hit yet, and I explained that in the daily time frame, so I just don't want to repeat that again. So we might actually just continue to push up, like I said, and hit my target 104.561. Then we might just continue to push to the downside after then, or we might push to the upside. And if you're pushing to the upside to possible touch this trend line right here, I want like a confirmation for it to at least break this previous high to give us this break of structure, retest it, then we're gonna move probably to this right here if you're gonna continue to push to the upside. But I don't want to predict too much to the future. So if the market gets around this area right here, the way the market reacts around that area will determine our next move. So just like I said, if you continue to push to the downside, certainly let's look forward to 103.774. And we should also be mindful as well that we have this imbalance right here that hasn't been filled yet. So but before we at least get to this level right here, we want a breakout zone, right? Come here to retest, give us a lower high for us to know that is actually a breakout, not a fake out, a breakout and not a fake out, for us to continue to ride to the downside, and possible our next target for the sell will be 103.191. But like I said, let's do it one step at a time. I don't want to predict way too much to the future. So right now I'm just going to do a quick recap. Right now I'm expecting a buy. So like I said, I'm seeing some sort of like an impulse, a sort of a correction, continuation to push to the downside. I see multiple rejections around this area right here. So this is giving us like a triple bottom, right? So I see it actually pushing to the upside, and we push to the upside, right? Let's see, right here will be our target, and if you see sell, this will be our target, guys. So this is my quick thought on the XY, guys. Hope you guys find it helpful. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share. And if you have any questions or anything, just put it in the comment section below, and I'll do my possible best to answer to the best of my ability. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and I will see you in my next analysis, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.